Alright, what is up, guys? It's cold, but I have a new project car. And I'm actually like really excited for this car. So not gonna waste too much time like trying to play around it. This is my new toy. She is rough. She needs a lot of love. I've already started fooling with it a little bit. The doors don't open from the outside, so I gotta fix that. It's bad, like real bad. But it has so much potential. I'm in love with this car already, and oh man, it's definitely gonna take some work, but be so worth it when it's done. It is a 1975 Datsun K80Z. Now to get in the car. So, the interior in this thing is done. I pulled the seat out, or the driver's seat out. The outside door handles don't work. Inside or outside on that side doesn't work. I'm not worried about the door panels being messed up. This one, they were actually all in one piece, but they were, they're like this cheap board crap, so, you know, they're all waterlogged and whatever. So yeah, first things first is get both of the doors working so I can open it, pull that door panel off. Need to drill the screws out of here because they're so rusty they won't come off. So I'm gonna drill those out, take that off. I'm not worried about the door panels at all. I'm gonna go to Technical Tuning or somebody and have them, or get some sheet metal doors, or door panels, and it needs a lot of love. Alright guys, so we're gonna go inside the car now, and I'm gonna kind of give you a basic idea of just what I've gotten myself into. It's bad. Okay, so I don't have a key to the car, not a door lock key, not a hatch key, no an ignition key, nothing. So I can't find an ignition lock cylinder. So so I'm going to probably make something work. Anyways, then I don't know about the hatch. You need a key to get it open because it's a little push thing. So I'm going to see once I get the passenger door open. There's a key code on the door, so I can probably work with that. So this rocker panel is toast. The floor pans are pretty much completely toast. Somebody tried to fix them before with sheet metal and screws and like some rubber crap, or maybe that's just sound deadening that they just drilled right into. I don't know. It's bad, and I haven't even got to the passenger side yet. Like, this is just the driver's side. So yeah, the seats are done. They're toast. They're so hard. I mean, the leather is so hard on them that if you push any pressure on them, they just crack and shatter. The dashboard, I don't think the dashboard itself is in good condition, but this little skin somebody put on there a while ago is in good condition, so I'm actually happy for that. That's one positive in a long list of negatives. This steering wheel will have to go, but I might leave it for now. You know, it's not too bad. Kind of goes with the whole 1970s vibe. So as you can see, this thing needs a lot of love. It's probably going to need more money put into it than any car that I've ever owned before. Possibly more money than every car I've owned before combined. But it'll be worth it. Alright, as you can see, the doors are open. It's no surprise I found more rust as soon as I got the passenger side open. The rocker panel's a little worse on the passenger side than it is on the driver's side, but it'll get fixed. I'm not sweating the rust in the floor pans, anything like that. It looks like the spare wheel well is a little rotted, but not too bad. The back, for the most part, the back part of the car and the front part of the car is solid. Literally just the floor pans and the driving area. So yeah, let's go. Let me go show you exactly what I've done and what I've found. So this is the trash and crap that I pulled out. The seat, passenger seat, it's toast. So yeah, there's something missing right here, and right there and right there and back there, which you probably can't see because it's getting dark. But yeah, back there looks pretty decent. I mean, it's not too bad. The spare wheel well, I'm not worried about. I'm probably just going to cut it out and weld a plate over top of it because this car is not going to be driven frequently. It'll be a weekend car. It'll be something I take out and cruise with, take to shows, stuff like that. The floor pans, they're pretty bad. I got to take the dash out. I'm going to work on that next time I get a chance. I'm gonna take all the wiring out because I'm gonna have to. Like, there's no way around it. The wiring runs through the metalwork and I have to cut it out. So the wiring is gonna have to come out. First, I have to vacuum all of this crap out. Apparently something made a nest in the glove box and all these leaves are the remnants of that. I'm not worried about the rear interior panels. The rear of this car will be gutted. I'm going to lay down new carpet. The seat rails themselves, I'm not sure if I'm going to weld those in again or not. I know the support, I'll probably weld in supports, but I don't know. I might just get, well, I know I'm getting racing seats, but I might just get a racing seat bracket and weld that onto the new floor pans and do it that way and just weld supports off of that. My biggest concern right now is the rocker panels. They are trash. They are straight doo-doo garbage. They're horrible. And I mean, it's eating into this, so this will have to be cut out and re-welded. I'm not worried about the problems with this car. I'm not worried that it doesn't run. I'm not worried that the floor pans need replaced. I just want to get it done. I bought this car, or traded for this car, because I knew I would have to do things that I hadn't done before. And somebody once told me, I won't say any names or anything like that, somebody told me once that in order to better yourself, you have to step outside your comfort zone. That's what I'm doing with this car. I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone. I may have gotten a little in over my head, but we'll figure it out. We'll get there. So, update on the Z, the 350Z, my daily, again. I bought a lip for it. I have successfully cracked or broken said lip, pulling into an Advance Auto parking lot. But it's significantly lowered, which I think I posted a video on that. It's lowered a lot. It rubs, but it looks good. I'm probably going to raise it up a little bit and do a more of a functional stance. Like, I want it to still be low, but I'm probably going to raise it up a touch, just so I'm not scraping on everything. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more of the Datsun build, and well, Datsun restoration, there's a long way before I build it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the little bell so you get notifications when I upload. I know my uploads are a little sporadic right now, but I work 6 days a week. I upload when I can, man.